What kind of man is the best fit to work with you?
About 95% of my clients are entrepreneurs. They are high performing, hard charging men. A lot of times it's guys in relationships who society has persuaded them to lose their power. Society has persuaded them to not fully own who they are. So at some point in their relationship or some point in their business or some point in their life, they disconnected themselves from their true, deeper self, what they really desire, what they really want, and how they show up powerfully in the world. And so my ideal client is an entrepreneur, 7, 8 figure, sometimes high 6 figure as well, who wants to step in his power in his relationship and be more clear on his path. And those go hand in hand. When a man has clarity on his path, he's in his power in his relationship. When a man is in his power in his relationship, he also has clarity on his path. They go back and forth.
So what could high performing entrepreneurs expect when they're working with you?
I think that's a hard question to respond to without just bragging about myself. I think ultimately the results that people have gotten over time is just a difference in confidence and relationship with self. And that just bleeds into the romantic relationships, bleeds into their business, bleeds into how they show up in the world and how they feel about themselves, and ultimately calms down their anxious mind. The dirty little secret of most entrepreneurs is that most entrepreneurs are walking around overstressed, anxious, and unhappy with themselves and their life. And the only way to get off that constant hamster wheel for them is to accomplish more, is to get more money, is to do more. And so helping entrepreneurs be able to calm that fuel down that they're operating from, step into a greater place of certainty, step into a greater place of calm and clarity in their life, I think is one of the best gifts I can give to anyone.